Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. This is Mikate here and I'm back with a new tutorial, and on this video I'm going to show you how to back up Viber messages. So without any further ado, let's start. First of all, launch the Viber app on your device and make sure they are signed in on your Viber account. And after that, from the bottom right corner of your screen, you will see three dot icon that says more. Tap on that, you land on your profile page. Now from there again tap on settings, you will land on settings page. Then again tap on accounts from the very top, then you will land on this interface. From here at the very top you will see Viber backup, so tap on there, you will see this interface. Now in order to have Viber backup, first of all you need to connect to Google Drive. Since I haven't connected to Google Drive, so first of all let's go ahead and connect to Google Drive. Tap on not connected to Google Drive, and from here a dialog box will pop up, so choose your account where you want to backup. Once you choose your account, again tap on OK. Again a dialog box will pop up that wants to access your Google account, so scroll down and tap on allow, and then a bunch of options will pop up on your interface. From there tap on auto backup, which is turned off, so tap on daily or weekly or monthly. Here I'll go with daily. And after that, backup using your Wi-Fi. And if you want to include your photos, simply turn on the toggle that says include photos. You can also turn on that toggle that says include video. Now once you're done with all of this, but before that, if you are new to our channel and haven't subscribed our channel yet, make sure you subscribe, like the videos, hit the bell icon so that you will get notified the next time we upload more tutorial videos. Now once you're done with all of this, simply tap on backup now, and then you will be able to back up your Viber message. That's all for today. I hope this video helped you. If you have any comments or questions, drop them down, and thanks for watching till the end. I will see you on next tutorial.